Welcome. Fuck, that was fucking cringe, eh? Sorry about if you can hear that, but currently it is raining and motherfucker, I just finished work and I'm tired as fuck, but I need to get some things done here. Gonna be putting the passenger side Recaro seat into the car. Got some eBay rails. That'll do for now, until my bride seat rails come in, which will be another 2 months unfortunately, but these came in like a couple of days. But anyway, these will do for now. I'm going to install them, see how they fit, and also I thought I'd give you a little update on what's happened in the last couple of months, because I don't remember the last time I uploaded a video. Anyway, here's a four-door. Four-door's got turbo, polished heat shield, crossover pipe. We got a Spitfire gold back with wiring specialties, gold pack harness. Shit, we got turbo line. We've got shitty some wiring. We got we got a front mount. Fuck. We got some SSI GPO mesh wheels, GDR seats, because they took those GDR seats off to the two-door here. What else is there? We got Evo got a new website banner which looks awesome, really complements like all the lines here. We got new tires. But anyway, we're going to be putting these Recaros into the car. Right now they're just chilling, not really mounted. They've just been chilling here waiting on rails, but the rails won't be here for another 2 months, so just got these eBay rails. Still can't believe how these T37s came up. Fucking hell, these are literally my dream wheels. On this dumb car too, look at that. So much brown, just like me. Fucking hell. Yeah, definitely gonna get the bonnet wrapped up the same color. I just left it two-tone because I couldn't be bothered wrapping it. It's been like this for like 2 years now. Looks spicy. You wouldn't believe this, but this wrap job was done like 2 years ago. It's just really dirty right now. This is painted though. The wing's painted. Oh. Don't really see a difference, do you? Anyways, let's get right to it. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hi, this is Max Bailey. I'm calling you from NBN.
Ooh, alright. So now, with that done, sorry about that, you probably saw me getting a call there. I mean, I thought it was pretty obvious that whoever that person called me was one of those scams. So for some odd reason, somehow they got a hold of my number, so every late afternoon or whenever it's the morning in India, I get a random call from them. The Recaros are in. Pretty stoked I'm on that. It looks so good. Matches with the floor mats. fits me real nicely. I don't know about don't know how they're gonna fit my taller passengers, but you know, it is what it is. What I wish is that it came closer to the door, because right now it's like on the center console. Same with the other side, literally on the handbrake. Anyways, thought I would start vlogging, really, just literally get in the habit of whipping out the camera. I thought I may as well show you guys what's been happening. Anyways, that's it from me tonight. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.